7 steps to make easy money in Thailand with the fake wound scam. So you'd like to make some easy money while you're in Thailand, and you are not at all bothered by any silly karma nonsense, respecting your fellow man, or taking responsibility for your actions. Alrighty then. Step 1, buy a rubber or silicone fake wound online. Unless of course you have a rubber fake wound shop in your local town. In that case, shop locally. Step 2, find a silly pair of pajamas, some worn out flip-flops and a crusty old housecoat as a costume. Finish the outfit off with a squirt of hot sauce or a blob of peanut butter here and there for effect. Step 3, practice your sad face in the mirror until you are able to maintain your sad face for 5-minute intervals. Realism is what we are striving for here. Step 4, locate a middle to high-end hotel and loiter in the parking lot until you spot a potentially gullible out-of-towner. Commonly referred to as a dumb farang.
It is what it is.
Approach the dumb farang with sadness and a touch of despair. Step 5. Tell them you are stuck in Thailand, someone robbed you of all your money, and now you have contracted an infection and need 1,000 baht for medicine. Step 6. Show them the wound. Make sure you prep the wound well, adding a sprinkle of water for realism.
Is that real?
If the dumb farang tries to look too closely, just make a wincing face, along with a funny cartoon grunting sound. Then cover the wound back up. Step 7. Take the money for the medicine and put it in the bank. Booyah! Whatever the dumb farang offers you, take it and disappear quickly. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat.
So this guy was just telling me that's the 4-headed Buddha there, and beside it is his grandparents. So he was saying something about after the Buddha died, went to his grandparents' house or something. I'm not sure.
You speak English?
Yeah.
So can you help me please? For me, so I just mark myself. It's a big problem. Medicine, Bangkok hospital medicine. But I don't have no medicine.
So what happened to you?
So this one pimple, big size. It's a
Is that real?
yeah. So
That's real? Oh.
it's
So where are you from?
from India.
India. So what do you need? You need medicine?
Yeah, need medicine. 3 months I have no working. But a hungry problem, medicine problem, room rent problem, I swear it's a big problem. इसलिए me, I just think that it's much, this one good brother, the same my Baba. इसलिए can you के speaking के only help me safely.
Well, what do you want? Just money?
Yeah.
Well, I probably can't pay for it all, but I can give you a little bit. I don't have much. I don't have much. Well, there, how about that?
So, no, give me 850 baht.
I can't do
Oh,
it.
thank you, sir. It's my same Baba, okay? Thank you.
Take care.